When attempting to swap anything in a Phantom wallet, it's essential to understand the concept of no soul. Essentially, whenever a swap is made on the Phantom wallet, or any other chain for that matter, the main blockchain's currency is required to facilitate the transaction. In the case of Solana, having enough of this currency is crucial. If there's insufficient Solana, the swap cannot be made. It's recommended to always leave a small amount of Solana in the wallet to avoid difficulties with transactions. Leaving around $2 worth of Solana at all times is suggested, as this will ensure that there's enough currency to facilitate any transaction, regardless of the coin being swapped. This is because the blockchain requires its native currency to process transactions, and not having enough can result in errors, such as the "not enough Solana" message.